Welcome friends to Avi's Academy. We will be discussing how to interpret the correlation coefficient today. Let us assume there is a person called Mr. A. He has seen many people buying ice cream during summer, and in other season the sales of ice cream is comparatively lower. Now he is interested to know whether ice cream sales depends on the atmospheric temperature. To test the same, he extracted the data of ice cream sales and temperature from a database and applied correlation statistics to measure the association. He got a value of plus 0.89, but now he is all confused and unable to interpret the value. This could happen to many of us. Remember, a correlation coefficient indicates the direction and strength of association between two or more variables. That means we have to interpret the value in two dimensions. First, the direction, and the next, the magnitude or strength of association. The direction of association is indicated by the sign of the coefficient. Therefore, the association could be positive or negative. If the sign is plus, then we call the relationship as positive or direct correlation. On the other hand, if the sign is minus, then we call it as negative or inverse correlation between the variables. The strength of association is signified by the value of the coefficient itself. Higher the value, stronger the relation. Though there is no rule of thumb to infer the strength, researchers often use a standard to interpret the same. As we know, correlation coefficient's value ranges between plus 1 and minus 1. On this basis, if the value is 1, we call it as perfect correlation. If the value is in between 0.7 and 1, we name it as high correlation. If it ranges between 0.3 and 0.7, we can call it as moderate correlation. But if the value of correlation coefficient is higher than 0 but less than 0.3, then we call it as low correlation. On the other hand, if the correlation coefficient turns out to be 0, then we say there is no correlation between the variables under study. Now, if we want to give suggestion to Mr. A on the value which he has got when he calculated the correlation coefficient between ice cream sales and the atmospheric temperature, we can say that since the correlation coefficient value is 0.89, there exists a high degree of positive correlation between these two variables. This is how we need to infer or interpret the value of correlation coefficient. So if you like this video, do consider to subscribe to the channel and press bell icon to get future updates on the videos which I am going to upload. Thank you for watching.